Hello, people of the internet. My name's Scully, and this video is about me and my friends being stupid on Risk 2. All you need to know: get items, get any items, and survive. Me and my friends are playing a game mode called Command that we could choose our own items, and yeah, that's pretty much the basics. Get item, fight aliens, go to the next world, try to beat the game. Only way only way to beat the game is to kill the king of nothing or kill a monster in the void. I mostly made this video just to work on editing and probably make people laugh or two. But further ado, enjoy the video.
Imagine being successful in life.
Imagine having a kid and don't want to ever see your kid.
Yeah, I know. That would hit home.
Firebomb, I love you.
Pretty obvious.
Firebomb, I love you. This is out of love. Just crying.
No, I don't love you. Go kill yourself.
Do it, bitch. You won't. Now I want to see him kill himself.
It's been so long. It's been so long since we all played together. I missed this. Oh
I-
my.
You
goodness,
missed this?
I
You're a
forgot.
fucking sadist.
Yes.
You masochist.
No, it's a masochist.
A masochist.
Ah, fire. Because if you didn't pause your download, you deserve it. You
Dumbass.
deserve to be stuttering the entire time.
Ah! Fly boys!
Bible? I swear to God, if you die again.
The pigeons! The pigeons are here.
Seagulls.
Bing bing chillin'.
Start fucking.
I need help, guys. Guys.
What?
You got it. You got it.
Yeah.
You said you were better. You're better than all of us, right?
Yeah.
Why would you need help?
Why you need help?
Fine, I'm not gonna die this entire fucking run. Please spawn down here.
Oh. Goodbye. 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 Why there's so many?
I know.
Why is there so many of these little shits?
Stay away from my items.
Why? Why?
I didn't start it.
Let it ring.
Prove I'm better. Oh my God, I just got a lag spike there too.
Okay.
This one is on.
It is on, yeah.
You cuck. I'm taking.
I am not a cuck, I'm a sadist.
Yeah, get it right.
That is not the right use of that word. Guarantee you're not using it in the right context. Not the way you think you are.
What? Using what word?
Sadist.
I support Satanism.
He's.
Whose item is that?
I am a card carrying sadist.
This one? Is this your item?
This one? You mean
This one?
I'm about to say-
Are you sure it's this one?
I
I already grabbed my item, so I mean.
got my item.
Everything's on fire. Everything cool when it's part of a team.
You know what's funny? You know it would be.
Unpopular opinion. I actually didn't mind the Lego movie.
That's not that bad. It wasn't. It wasn't bad.
Like that.
Yeah,
Be okay.
but Lego Batman
I
though.
would watch it again though.
I mean, for a kids movie, it's pretty good actually.
You guys weren't supposed to agree with me on that. You guys
Then don't
That was
say
literally-
it.
They don't
it's
sit.
supposed to be for the fucking sake of the conversation, so you guys could be like, dude, your tastes are ass. And no, you guys actually like agreed with me.
Yeah, cause
Discussed this concept.
because the Lego movie wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it's actually pretty okay.
What the fuck?
The Lego movie was ass.
What the fuck?
Don't like say something just so we have to disagree. Okay, fine, I'll just disagree with you every fucking turn.
That's not
God,
the point. I just wanted to
It
trigger
seems like
something.
the
because-
point if we're supposed to disagree with you on that.
that's what you wanted, right?
Ow!
Oh God, who echoed?
Go.
It's just
Piss
mine.
off. No, I just opened it.
No, I
You-
just fucking opened it.
Oh look, a
You
void.
did open it.
Guys, the void.
God damn it. I needed a medical item.
Yeah, so did
Wait,
I.
there's
Oh
a
wait, no, I
portal,
already have
right?
one.
Jesse, don't die.
Jesus.
Oh shit.
No, I used that one to get
Guys, help. Guys, help.
See, fucking hell.
Why you sounded so sarcastic? Jesse! James!
Jesse, did you
James!
just start working out? You were looking so sexy now.
God damn, girl. Mm.
I just realized the build I'm going for is going to be even more cancerous because we're on swarms.
You know what's funny? Fuck your build. Ah! Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Help, 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 help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Help, help, help. I'm sorry for talking shit. I'm sorry for talking shit.
Fuck your build. Immediately. Help, 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 help.
I'm sorry.
That's how it goes.
This way.
Oh,
Gold.
karma.
Run, gold. Gold, run. Gold, run.
No,
Gold, run.
how could you do that? You gave me no idea what was turning on. And then all of a sudden, I couldn't beat a guard. Beat a guards everywhere.
That's what killed you last time, right?
Not mine either, obviously.
Are we not going to clear the void?
Yeah, can someone do that real
Clear
quick?
the void.
I don't know. Why don't
Because
you use it?
something
It's
tells
better
me
than
I'm
all
not
of
going to be
us.
paying attention. I'm going to get hit by that fucking delayed explosion, and I'm going to die.
Oh,
I'm gonna
collapse.
fucking just kill
And
myself.
then you have to eat
I
your
hope
fucking
not
words.
No, actually, yeah, Golden, fuck you. Die.
You don't want to change just because you have to eat your words if you die. Oh, well, I'm not
Exactly.
going to die this entire run.
Yeah, fucking do it. Die.
Well, fine. I'll clear the fucking void. None of you fucking touch it.
I'm touching
I
it.
want your help.
I'm already touching it. You can't do nothing about it. I'm touching. I'm touching it.
This is why consent matters.
I literally just can't go in there though right now because I don't have any healing items.
So everyone's ready for the boss?
Oh,
Okay, starting it.
what? Where's the last monster? Is it on the fucking wall?
No, it's outside the void.
Remember, as long as they're corrupted, they still technically count, so they could be outside the void.
Oh my god. Everything dies. Everything is a fun. I'm on fire.
No!
And I
I'm
have no
frozen.
healing.
Anybody want an equipment chest?
Frozen? Then why don't you just let it go?
Let it go. I fucking hate you.
Let it go.
I hate all of you.
Dude, I gotta send
I
you a
don't wanna
video.
do this
So all of us
anymore.
were-
Stop yelling!
Okay, somebody find this last fucking creature. I'm running through the void. I will find it.
And
the gender.
it has a gender. Use it. It has its
That's
pronouns.
a name.
Unpopular opinion.
Names are overrated.
Hot take. I might die. I might die.
Yeah, eat words, bitch.
Don't. It's because I hit a void chest. Oh my god! Why are there so many with men? Oh.
So many women.
Well,
There's so many women. Fuck this.
In this game, impossible.
that's how you know we're all fucking guys playing this.
Women?
Women? Gamer girl?
I want to build chess.
Oh, look at
Did I
that.
tell you about? So I, by the way, just for future reference, the red chest can spawn down here.
Oh. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
First places I fucking. Stop. Only one alive right now.
Yeah.
Sure, you would all love that, wouldn't you?
You're the last one standing. Mission.
Just wanna
Survive.
see you fail.
Oh, I need my fucking charger. My vape's still dying.
Oh,
okay,
my,
well, I mean, I'm
oh,
dead
my
anyway,
vape
so I'm gonna
hurts.
do
My
that.
vape is dying. Oh, fuck.
Suck my right nut.
second guard like a real man.
Breathe.
He taught me the words. Top G. Top G really taught me those.
That's a top G, dude.
That's top G move. I'll punch my wife.
Jesus Christ!
No.
How many golems are there?
All I heard was punch my.
Still going.
I love how you said I'm gonna punch my wife as fucking firebombs hitting a bunch of golems.
Yeah, I'll punch my wife because she didn't make me a sandwich. That's top G.
That's top G.
Like my dad would hit me.
Oh, kinky.
Holy dog.
They're gonna get
Cunt.
they're gonna get mad at us first of all for playing Risk of Rain on command, and taking our sweet time and getting every chest. They're gonna get mad at
That's the
that.
thing, you know, we're not playing it as a walkthrough and actually how to play the game. We're playing it just
To have
We
fun.
play it the way we play it, and if they get mad, suck
suck
it.
my toes. I might like that though.
Can't suck your nose then.
Hey yo.
It was an option.
Well, it was never offered to begin with.
You never asked.
Yeah, I know.
But now that we know, we're cool with it.
Okay.
You guys know where the fucking
Portal
It's
is
in the
no.
tree trunk.
got it.
It's in the tree trunk,
Just give me a second
right
to
there.
annihilate everyone.
Almost at it.
Pain. Without love. Pain. I can't get enough. Pain.
God.
What is this?
If modern songs were, if they were fucking sung as like poetry at a cringy poetry club.
Pain.
Imagine like God's plans, like down with the God. God's plan. God's. Ain't no hot light bling. You gonna tell me
I
one
don't
thing.
like this.
Like,
Okay,
I
look,
like- it'd be funny
go
to see
to
me
the
rap
ball
in the most monotone voice ever.
Juju on that beat.
Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat.
I hate my life.
I cut my life to pieces. It was my last result.
It
Suffocation?
was my last
No.
resort.
Breathe.
Suffocation. No breathing.
Oh my god.
They just don't stop, and they don't stop coming,
And it don't stop coming, and it don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming.
and they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming.
I mean, sounds like my kind of.
Too much
I'm
timing.
also trying to find chests at the same time, but I'm trying not to die so I have to constantly fight.
Fight the boss
I
already.
think you can take the boss. Yeah, I think you can take the boss.
Oh, I could definitely take the boss.
Oh, kill Rimuru.
Nice.
They don't stop coming. And stop coming. And they don't stop coming.
They
Coming.
don't stop coming, and they don't stop
Coming.
coming, and they
Coming.
don't stop coming.
Come.
Sounds like me on the average. Go for the
Welcome.
fight.
Come zone.
You want to be the very best.
That, that
To be
everyone
the best, 'cause no one ever cared.
Bum.
goes in here.
Yep.
Oh, this is cancer.
I told you it was fucking scuffed.
I wish I was
Scuff
a
like my
Pokemon
nutsack.
so you should abandon me like Lopez.
Well, I mean, it worked. Oh,
I love that. I
that,
knew it was
that,
gonna come back and bite me.
that right there was the kind of clip we came for.
Oh shit! I was killed by the planet, not by any of them.
That's what we came back for.